If you're not using Business Suite, you've never actually run ads. You've probably been boosting posts. That's not strategy. That's a money pit. No targeting logic, no retargeting, no pixel control, no ad segmentation, no behavioral data, no pipeline, no operator. Just cash lit on fire. Let me be clear. I'm not here to critique you. I'm here to pull you out. What I'm about to show you, most businesses don't even know exists. Not because it's hidden, but because no one ever taught you where to look. Business Suite isn't just an app. It's a digital command center for marketing and sales. It doesn't just post. It lets you build, segment, and track real buyer pipelines inside your suite. It doesn't boost posts. It runs conversion optimized campaigns tied to real objectives like booked calls and DM conversations. You're not picking random interests. You're stacking behavior-based targeting, retargeting past visitors, and filtering lead stages by action. Business Suite turns chaos into control. It's more than marketing. It's infrastructure. Here's what most business owners are doing. They hire a digital team, pay for content, post it, boost it, hope for bites. Or they rent borrowed attention from a page with tons of followers and mistake views for value. In both cases, they don't own the audience. They track clicks, but not intent. They measure impressions, but not movement. They think they have marketing, but they've never seen conversion infrastructure. If that's you, there's no shame in it. This is what the industry sold you. You've been buying shadows, websites, posts, blueprints, pretty pictures with no firepower behind them. And now, for the first time, you're seeing substance. You're seeing the actual weapon. Not a piece, not a promise. The whole goddamn system. I'm a heavily trained digital operator. The first thing I do is embed inside your system. We connect any platform, inside and out. We launch Business Suite, you give access, I enter the cockpit. Next, we lock it down. We use Google two-factor authentication with rolling passcodes and system sweeps. No more loose doors, no more weak links. Then we light up your system. Pixel installed, tracking triggered, behavior mapped. Next, we deploy real campaigns, not boosts. You get full mission control, starting with real objectives: traffic, leads, appointments, sales. You get real targeting power, not spray and pray. Custom audiences, advanced AI targeting by interest, behavior, and identity. We're talking sniper precision. You get budget and battlefield control, where the ads run, when they run, how much they spend down to the dollar and hour. You get dynamic retargeting, every view, every click, every ghost. We hunt them all down. This isn't boosting posts. This is full spectrum ad warfare. Your pixel starts firing, signals start stacking, buyers move closer. And because I'm embedded, you get 30 days of live ops. Guarding, fortifying, optimizing. If it breaks, I fix it. If you're flagged, I restore you. If you're targeted, I neutralize. This isn't a setup. This is command and control. This is business black ops. They taught you ROI is cash. Spend $1, make $2. That's not how real digital ops work. In a real op, ROI is movement, momentum, scale. It's pulling thousands of people into motion all at once. When a person grabs your free guide, that's ROI. They just moved forward. When a person sees your retargeting ad and remembers you, that's ROI. Now they trust you. When they hit you in the DMs with a question, that's ROI. That's signal they're ready to convert. Every piece of this system is designed to pull them into the next step of the sequence. You don't scale by throwing more money at problems. You scale by engineering every layer of the buyer's journey and moving entire populations through them. If all of this feels like a lot, that's normal. It's like waking up from a dream. Your eyes are burning, not because of what you've seen, but because you're using them for the first time. Look, I get it. You've trusted people, you've paid teams, you've bought tools. And now you're wondering if you've been sold half a system. You have, but that's not your fault. This industry isn't rigged against you on purpose. It's just run by people who've never seen the real battlefield. Now you have, and now it's your move. If you want in, DM me the word operator right now. That'll trigger my system, we'll schedule your briefing call, and you'll see exactly what's inside. That's when I'll step in, analyze your setup, sync up, and deploy. This is an evac, and we don't circle back. You're not buying marketing, you're embedding a market weapon. I'll take you out of chaos and into control. We move fast, and you should too. DM me now. I'll see you on the other side.